Here we'll see all the important points related to Semecarpus anacardium using this mnemonic. Semecarpus anacardium is also known as bilava and the marking nut. So from the word bilava, you can remember the active principle which is bilavanol. And from the word Semecarpus, you can remember the active principle which is semicarpal. So now the two active principles present in the Semecarpus anacardium is semicarpal and the bilavanol. It is called as marking nut because washermen usually mark clothes for identification using this nut. As it is insoluble in water, it can be visible. So that is why it is also known as marking nut. And Semecarpus anacardium. Coming to the word carpus, it means thick pericarp. Right? The Semecarpus anacardium seeds have a thick pericarp which contains the irritant juice, which is usually brown color, but on exposure to air it can turn into black color. Cardium and anacardium, it indicates black seeds which are heart shaped. And also you can see the increased heart rate or the tachycardia as a symptom. Now let us talk about all the A's. The first A in the Semecarpus stands for abortion stick. This Semecarpus anacardium juice is used with other juices in the abortion stick to cause abortion. And the second A you can remember vitriol edge. It is used to cause injury to the face out of jealousy or revenge. So it can cause blisters on the face, right? So it is used even in the vitriol edge. So the A in the vitriol edge can be remembered from this A. Third A stands for artificial bruise. The juice comes in contact with the skin. It can cause irritation, itching, painful blisters which can turn into ulcers, and also eczematous eruptions can be seen on the surrounding tissues and the margins. So all these lesions resemble bruise. Here it is not a true bruise because it is not caused because of any trauma. Here it is caused because of this irritant juice. So it is known as artificial bruise or the pseudo bruise. Coming to the fourth and the last A, it is accidental poisoning. So accidental poisoning can be seen where the quacks used this juice for the treatment of rheumatic pain or worm infestation. So to summarize the whole thing, so Semecarpus anacardium is also known as bilava or the marking nut. From the word bilava, you can remember active principle bilavanol. And from the word Semecarpus, you can remember the other active principle which is semicarpal. And it is called as marking nut because the washerman used this nut to mark clothes. Now coming to the carpus. The carpus indicate the thick pericarp which covers the seed. It contains irritant juice which is brown color. On exposure to the air, it converts into black color. And the cardium in the anacardium, it indicates two things. One is black heart-shaped seeds, and also heart rate increases as a symptom of this poisoning. The first A stands for abortion stick. Second A stands for vitriol edge. Third is artificial bruises. And the next A is accidental poisoning seen if the quacks are using this juice for rheumatic pain or the worm infestation. This is about Semecarpus anacardium. Bye.